Welcome to my game development stream. As always, first I start my development environment, then I play one round of my game, and then I decide what I work on today. Starting, I have to execute this command in the terminal, wait again. Lines have to appear. Okay, now should be ready. It runs in the browser. I need to play Builder. More localhost for me. Start fresh. Okay, I am the guy in the middle. I'm the tower builder today. First I choose a class that tower by it assigns enemies. If I come closer to them, they attack me. The bar above my head is my HP. It reaches 0, I die. And if I die, I get a higher score based on how far away from the middle I died. The more enemies I kill, the stronger I get. And enemies get stronger the further away I am from the middle. And that's basically it. Now I play until I die. It's relatively easy at the start for me. Zoomed. Here a second. Not getting danger. I think I know how to play correctly. I died. Didn't pay attention. Interesting. It seems I was here. I play one more round. Let's do another one. It's strange. I didn't pay attention, but probably my fault. Stop here. Should be safe here. Yes, I'm safe. How many max stars? 40. Okay. Once. Not sure if I have enough towers. No, I should have. Okay, so good. damage is valuable. Pyrrhic is okay. Okay, checking the king soon. It touched me about my HP. Affected that much. Okay, 9 seconds the next boss, but can one single target. Okay, this should be and I win. Okay, last we play is long builder. New round, new test replay for it. Builder is done. Did I? No, think I had one more one I needed. Okay, increase version, first thing to do. 26. Next. So I'm working on sound. I had last time. Time measures currently test music. Okay, this was generated music. I have all the sound tests. I have music sheet which can play sounds, and now I was thinking about a new class. I would say this is and I was researching. Okay, let's call it source and research here. And now development steps. I want new class musician. This is written correctly. Guess new class musician is its different kind of sounds. Basic idea is visualize music sheet. Mouse click to place note. Great instruments, different note types like this. Click to place note on music sheet. Music sheet runs in and think I should rename this. Sound test is no longer correct, it's sound generation. No, the sheet is more than sound generation. Just sound. Music. It's all more music related. And sound. Let's call it sound for now. Okay, now I go over the task. New class musician is first thing I want to do. Character, player characters. What is it based upon? It's different than all again. But yeah, I also have to decide sniper character class and your character class ball. Should I rename them? Let's rename this file. Can I do this easily? Character class ball. Character class snipe. think it's only the naming of the file name. Master is. I think I will remove him. It's too old. Move to trash. Same for shooter. Same for sword. Now name to character class sniper. Name character class tower and same as in here. Guess rename character class tamer. Move it to here. They would be together. Tamer stuff is here. Oh, let's keep it like this. I need the next character class and now I want to base it upon someone. Sniper is short, tower build, they're all not very long. Let's copy sniper. Character class. New. Oops. Player character class musician. Change character class. Not have. Okay, a HP ring I take. Do not have. An ability, it's just take snipe for now. Has to be get a sniper, become a musician. Become a abilities. I probably should describe it differently. Place notes in to create music. So it's like this. Was based on this is far too soon. But guess this is ability snipe related. Is it? I just deleted. Now I set a few stuff. Add character. Give him an image. Give him a slime image, I give him a level and I reset. Don't give him any abilities. Search snipe. And find snipe. Cannot copy it. I'm unsure. Would probably better just this for now. Ability list boss. I have position, but can add it here. I think I use choices based on I probably see a musician I want for. And here's a snipe. This is what I expect. Now plus musician. How do I structure it? New ability? An ability. Do I set him up? I would say make a new okay, how should I do it? Sniper has just a sniper rifle and a lot of grades, probably this ability musician. Let's call it music sheet maybe. Great. If no types, diff no types damage effects. Let's call it this. Initialize new ability music sheet. How should it work? For now, I have an initialize music sheet. Mouse click to place. This can work. Put it on mouse click, left click, visualize the sheet. Can place nodes. And I just have to run it in a loop now. Let's try. folder for music for now. Ability music sheet. I copy from who do I copy? It's click to a position. Sniper is it? Snipe is a lot to remove, I guess. I put 400 lines. Ball. It's also big. Ball had not the paint in here. Tamer is different. Tower is also full. Let's see. Just copy from ball and let's see. Ability music sheet. I don't know what I need on data. Ability name music sheet. Music ability music sheet. Active ability cards I will need this. Create ability plus upgrade options. Yes, I will need create ability more infos. I will need damage breakdown. Execute upgrade option. Paint ability UI. This is special. And accessory. Will wait. Reset ability. We need set ability to boss level to enemy. Ability to boss AI. Everything I need. And I rename. No. Ability. Music. Upgrade options. By bosses. True, not yet, but test 2. I do not have upgrades yet. Ability sheet. Damage radius. No. I think about what I have. No, I clean up first. I clean this up later. Something like this. Get ability ball damage. I think this is damage break. Not yet. Let's do something very simple. Damage. That's it. So far so okay. This is don't have it yet. Tick boss AI. Nothing behind it. Reset ability. That cast. This way. Let's key down. clear it for speed and upgrade options. I put some default stuff. For set ability to level, I do not have yet. Enemy level ability did not refactor it until now. Not have charges I can click as fast as I want. Now let's, don't know, should I keep it a bit? Have a rect, maybe I keep the rect because this is music sheet. I have an if and providing I can visualize it. Let's keep this. Ability. Scan. Into board. Don't have a ability. Sheet. Turn. Damage tick. Draw tick. Decrease. And get more infos I need. It's a T info. Spot. Music sheet. Key. Click to place. That's in music sheet. Let's remove this for now. The rest I will find out. Default stuff. 3 more errors which I did not clean up. I don't see. No errors, okay. Now I have to think what is data I need. I have my music sheet. Why do I have a error? Okay, it's no longer fitting what I need. Do I need more? Currently not. Only I just want to do music. Can paint it. And place notes in it. Limit it in some way. But the music sheet will be. Let's start with this. I have. Now let's move it to the end. Create music sheet. No, not ability. Probably do not have a create. It's my sound. Music sheet. I have to decide on my own notes will not. I have just the speed. That's it. Okay. So I have just speed. 100 and notes are here. No, it's pressed empty. That's it. And have these two values. No, music sheet. Now let's paint something. Car. Oh, this is interesting. I'm actually interested in the position, not the UI position, let's call it, not the map position. Let's see. I want to paint just. I paint the UI. It's a start. Crash the game. What is missing? Didn't add the ability, I guess. No, no. Ability music sheet. Jeez. Yeah. Okay. I can hover over it. Music sheet. Mouse 0. Click to place music sheet. Plus musician. Okay, so far correct. Now on cast, let's just no, not ability. The music sheet is currently also not based on game time. The slowdowns will be bad, but problem for another time. Currently music sheet, I have to sync place here. My timings. Sync music sheet layer. Just place it. And every note I play, I now want to basically activate an ability. I have to few more information in here. I want more information. I have music sheet time. Let's try it. This is it. time. Now, if I play it in here, I know where I am at which point in time. Do I need something else? Could say let's call it just playtime or something. To playtime. Music sheet bits. Max Witz or something. Max Witz just. Max Time. Max Playtime. Max Not Playtime. Max Playtix. Let's call it something like this. Let's take it for now, maybe. I need some values here. Max Playtix, let's do. Did I have in my example 24? Playtime is 0. No. If I cast a node, I just take its ability. Name them all. Search for no ball results. Okay. Cast on music sheet. I have music sheet. Music sheet. Notes. Push. I need in here. Equation factor 1. Octave. Escape 3. Need a tick in the node. Node is node type. I want a random node. How do I get it? Nodes to frequency index gives me nodes. Let's take it. Const tick is equal music sheet node links modulo music sheet display ticks. That now I have a tick. Now I want the node is equals next random state random but have this thingy. I have nodes, object keys. So I have times nodes length, mass, mass. Now I have node x, let's call it. Once node is then it's to frequency. Nodes index. Now I have a node I want to play. And secure. He accepts it. So he cannot see these are nodes. Yes, node. Maybe then I don't need this one. So when I cast, I just push, but it's not played yet. So if I take ability, I have problem. My time is incorrect. Time, last node playtime, maybe last node playtime. But this is also not enough. Is it? Take. No, it should work. Let's not playtime, let's call it this way. Ability. Is it const time? Music sheet time, maybe? Game state time. Sheet. Music sheet again. Here's the speed. It's the length of each node. Sheet max. Oh, it's play ticks. Let's do this. So the time where I'm in the music, and now to figure out which notes to play. I just iterate over every note. Let Note of music sheet notes. If note tick, I have to should calculate it to tick const sheet tick. This would be time, but this should give me the tick. Or if the tick of the music sheet is second. Sheet last tick was music sheet note time divided by the speed. Give me the tick. But maybe I should do the tick in the first. Last note a tick. Mean I no longer need to divide. So I have tick last tick. It needs to be bigger than, let's call it current tick. Note tick tick this way. Last tick time, I'm bigger, I'm smaller than now, equal, so I have to play this note. At the end I have music sheet play tick equals Q tick. Now, how do I play my note? No, wait, note. That's it. It's not exported. A minute. This is not what I wanted to export. I have a music note. I just say play music note. Export function. Needs a sound. Let's keep undefined. Turn if I don't have it. No, just to generate note in here. No, no, I don't have situation. Note does have information. Here. In the sheet. Music sheet. Does this work? No. Okay. Just note. Music sheet could also have a bass octave. This is E. Hmm. Here, this one. This is this way? No. No. Copy. Big note. Okay, this is my play note. Music sheet. Maybe I should call it ability music sheet. I don't have it duplicated. So ability sheet. I need more stuff. Note. Game. Sound. So now I would create sound probably. Position. I don't hear anything. Oh. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have two notes of each other. Okay, I could just restart, I guess. Something did not add up. I should now visualize it. Is it Paint or Paint UI? I mean, Paint UI puts me somewhere. Let's paint ability. I somewhere I want to paint a sheet. At top left music sheet is X is canvas width. This I will let's call it a sheet width. This is 200 maybe. The sheet 8, I don't know, 50. Now this, the middle. As salt. As fruit. And for Y I do X canvas minus divided like this. Okay, now I have some ZTX build style would be, let's make it black for now. I just want to see where I am. First I have X and Y top. And now I have sheet width, music sheet. I'm here. This is fine. Probably need a bit more space. The different sort. Paintability I also have. No, I don't have. Currently not sure which layer stuff flows over it, but doesn't matter. Now, instead of Rex, I need sheet. Music sheet. 5 lines? I don't know. Really. Like this. Oh. A big push. Okay. Have 2, 3, 4, 5 lines. Okay, it's probably this one. Didn't save. But 5 lines, white background, so it's probably white. But TX global alpha, it's to 0.5. the end. Now is it stroke style? I don't know. Stroke style. If I want to play CTX skin pass, probably of 5 lines. Pass. No, I this global alpha back skin pass CTX line 2. No. Missing something. Fire line. Skin pass move to was it? Line 2 stroke. Okay. Stroke. Okay, now where do I paint? F double I go by music sheet 8 divided by 5 and line count is 5 times I would be the go to X is I always start left. It's line 2 music sheet width. Now the Y is being the same. Something like this. Line with lines. Okay, I need to move them down by half a uh, so this way. So far, yes. Now let's paint in nodes. Now, node of sheet woods. This is a lithium sheet. Now this is interesting. I know the order. To put it here. To frequency. Because I don't think C sharp. Is it the ability where I want it? This is just D, G. Okay, let's do it differently. Keep it here. Function node to paint height. Like this. I'm only interested in the node in this case. Octave might be relevant. Is the long one. The node has octave? I think so. Music note. Music note. There's the octave. To paint height to the sheet line or something. It's to music sheet. Let's call it this way. Music sheet tutorial. These ones I want. Lines, spaces. He counts bottom to top. But I paint top down, so I have to reverse it. Do I call C, F, a B, A, B, C, D, F, G. So 7 notes. And G is both the top line. Call it so let's should I the let's call this 0, 1, and this is 0.5. This is minus. Equals top line, line. Top line, how should I tell that it's in top line? Inside top line, let's call it this way. hope. Makes sense. So top line 0 is F, but should probably start with G. To map to line map. Start with 0. Minus 0.5. Let's do it. No. And it's A, B, C, G. So 0.5. Is this correct? F is on, so B is second line strike. So okay. And now F three, 6, 7. So I have 7 notes is 3.5 adding per octave. It's in one line. See, I accept it in one. Let's just start with this. To line map. This won't work. It's missing a few. Let's add change this to this. C sharp. No, let's simple. The substring start end. Oh, I want just the first character. Char at 0. So accept this. Doesn't accept it. What is the problem? Okay, this is ISNE for now. Also, he doesn't like it. It's around it. Accept this. does he want? The type for this probably 3 to number. This. Forgot. String. Oh, he likes it. Okay, I don't know how I would cast this otherwise. Now I have a line number. It's in the node. I have a line number. Now I have the field style egg, I would say. Should also place. Now let's finish the nodes first. Let's make queue and playtime. Line up. I want to play. Music, not to music line. Function music to pause. No, expose. Offset. Music note and sheet width is a number. And I return a number. Don't know if I need my own function for it, but let's do it. Have music note tick. So needs a music sheet. Max ticks number. By max ticks is a percentage times sheet width. Doesn't feel like I need an extra function for it. At least if I will see in the future. X offset this one. Max play ticks in here. It width is okay. Need to ctx fill. Let's do rect first. Thing. No no xy. This is x offset plus top left Let's do it other way around. I have y line number. No, top left music sheet y line number times then I can count. I still need 5 as size. This could work. Okay, so far so good. Now let's make the line. Set it again. I have no nodes I need. Let's offset. It's a node tick. Play last. Music sheet. Ability sheet. Last node play tick. Maybe the and now line. In pass. Temp y. Interested in the y. This one. X. These are both times the same. Temp y. Music sheet y. Plus. So I do not place y correct. Interesting. Line is not correct. My painting is not correct. I'm behind. I think this is because I don't know if it's the node comes always a bit late. So I would guess I have to find why it's delayed, basically. least I hear delayed sync. Basically need to move it left. No. I think I will take a short break. We'll be back. And I'm back. Okay, I was one note. Is it not played? This would explain why I have a gap. But yes, if I switch around, this time was bigger. And let's see. Decided to play a note. Yes, here. Was a zero note, it's not correct. Or with a how is it? Tick and tick last tick. This is last tick is bigger than Q and tick. This means I have a wraparound. This means that only this has to be true. I guess. Let's find out. This felt on point. This felt a bit behind. So I would move the position a bit to the right. Let's take T. Sound delay, unknown sound. How do I one ticket? Offset a. I have to increase it. One, but I also then have to modulate it. T music. Max playtex. Unknown sound delay. Oh, I put it. X offset, I put it forward, but it was too. I have to subtract it. Then modulo and negative. Did I have a positive modulo? Modulo. No. Okay, I have to add just to be sure this one, so it's positive. And now we'll see. One tick might be a little too much. This felt off. This felt more. It feels like it's not very on point with the sound. This felt decent. Seems decent. So far so good. No. I have the octave not in it. Will become important. Can currently not decide where I place notes. I have to find out where. For this I need to know where it's placed. Do I? Okay, this is now complicated for multiplayer. I usually send okay, I paint based on the canvas. Cannot take this for. Do I do this? I send relative, but I paint it based on the canvas size. This doesn't work. Width and height I can put into the data. Paint width and a so I can put 400 paint 8 50 move these two. It's part of the music sheet. Paint width. Paint width. Tate. 8 paint 8 paint 8 not what I wanted. Also it's okay. Too long lines. Accept it, so I have moved the size away. I put it more based on the character? I don't paint it for other people. Feels like I see it still on the... Okay. Also, I do not verify if they paint them correctly. They need to be bigger, but doesn't matter for now. Still some time. Can I add? I have place for fifths. Let's them down. I character choice options are now 5. What happens if I do this? Can I press 5? No, I cannot press 5. And it doesn't feel centered. Why? Let's add the button 5. Key bindings, player input. Doesn't feel correct. Let's upgrade 5. Let's do upgrade 5. Upgrade 5. What do I else need? Should be more. Schön. Schön. Layer input. Send it. I think I start here. Line key bindings. This is. Don't have a binding. Not what I want. player. Here I have JIT 5 is grade 5 as display value. I can select him. 3, 2, 1. Okay, can select him. Musician is work in progress. Musician work in progress. Okay. And also try to find out why it's not centered. It's a bit space he could take. Let's find out. I go to paint. Characters have more info. Character stats, maybe? Tag, upgrade options UI, this is the one. Have a start Y and where's the X? Estimate, direct paint key, Q and X. Q and X starts at maximum. I painted. Width estimate, so the width estimate is incorrect. Because I don't have the spacing. Maybe. Option spacer. I have option spacer not in it. So it's a choice. And then width estimate plus equals times choice length is 1. No character upgrade choices. As part of it, this looks more. Okay, perfect. Now the question is art. Take him. I still have for multiplayer the problem that I do not know that I send clicks, but so I can paint this relative to the character, then it would work. Long term, I might need a different solution, but maybe it works. Let's do this. I have a bit of time. Maybe I can get it done. Class purely doesn't change. The player shouldn't. Player. I made the fifth option. Ability. Not ability. Music sheet. Ability music sheet here. I paint it, but let's differently. I have the ability owner. The camera position. Paint. Get point paint position. TX point is my ability owner and the camera position. Owner paint pose is this. I take this position as my base one. I push it down. No, I point it down from here, I guess. So a bit down from him, let's see. It's not true. I can move it either way. So now I can use clicks to put nodes in it. Okay, now I have somewhere my cast node. But I need this. Yeah, y offset. Y offset d. This is not understandable, I guess. Y offset? Could it just offset y? I don't know. Let's lose offset y for now. And did I paint it? Okay, now I have all values in the data. Can try to calculate. I have a cast position. Currently I do random. Let's start with just one axis, let's say. So I have to determine the tick based on my cast position X. I have cast position X. This is a tick determining point. This I have to subtract ability owner X, get relative value. I have to subtract my music sheet width halved. So if I press perfectly in the middle, this will no paint width half, but okay, I pressed shift too long. Windows made a sound. I have to think. I press perfectly on my character. We'll have music sheet. This will be 0. This will move it to 0. No. That's this way. I play left from character. Yes, this is. I can press far more left than I should. Tick. So this is not a tick, this is currently a width value. I have to still divide it by music sheets. This gives me a value between 0 and 1. Now I still have to music sheet multiply it max ticks. And then I have a value between, so and I floor it, I guess. It's put in parts. F is oh, let's keep it for now. If let's just okay, so if tick is smaller 0 or if tick is bigger music sheet max play ticks, then I return, I do not cast anything. Else it could just be correct. I'm interested. Okay, I can not place them perfectly, but oh no. Okay. Too many notes makes it loud. So the tick seems fine. Now I need It's a node. Nodes I have still problem. I do not consider the octave. I should. Let line equals this one. And now line with octave consts on octave B. Let's call it on space octave 3. Music node octave minus base octave. Is this correct? The octave is bigger. I don't know it. Let's just take this and then multiply 0.5 plus line. This is my offset, I guess. Let's make it the line, and then I move it. Let's see what happens. No, it looks fine. Now let's find out which. So I have music note to sheet line. I need the other one. Probably let's make an own function. They will be similar. Y offset to music note. And I have Y offset like this. Try needs stability. Y offset, or should I use Y pose music? Let's call it Y position for now. And let's turn. I return a node. The Y pose. Could calculate it to these, but I need to round it. Okay, so the multiplier. Let I don't know how to call it yet. I start with the Y position. No, it's the Y offset because it's. I go back to Y offset. But say this is offset between player and click. Team music sheet offset Y. Is this correct? Do not know which way I gain. Let's change it again. Wanted to have a TNY. Click pause and pause. Now I clicked here. Here's my owner. So if I click bigger, this will be positive value. And I need to subtract it. Top music sheet. It's this. I do this and do this. This is the top. Oh, this is not the top. Set top. So 0 should be I clicked the top of the music sheet. I clicked on the owner perfectly. This would be 0. Then I subtract it would be minus. Be pretty high. I think this is correct. Now I need one step again. I have set top music sheet. This is height divided music music sheet height. Put now nowhere percentage y, but in the paint height I have the 5 lines. Can music sheets have more lines? Const music sheet lines plus 5. So now it's a value between, if it's inside the sheet, it would be between 0 and 5. I accept mean minus 0.5. This is line number, not bounded. Const bounded number would be f line number times 2, because I want to the nearest. Then I divide by 2, so I have also 0.5s. But this is dangerous. Let's do it this way. Exact numbers. Index, let's call it index. Now I have const index to node to be 0 have to accept more. F, E, D, C. Start with this one. Const would be the index. Do 3 as base. Index, so divided by 7 as a node counter. Do this, I don't know. It's floor. So if I am negative, I would floor it to -1. Purely unsure. Interesting. But I think it's correct. Mass point 0.1 negative should be -1. Yes, okay, perfect. So it would go down to 2. I'm unsure if I do this the right way, but let's consider it. Now the octave. If octave bigger 1 and octave smaller 4, 2, 3, 3, 4, I accept, so smaller 5. Try to do it the other way around. Smaller 2, 4, or I turn fine, so I don't have node or undefined, so don't have a valid node, and I have to return. The node itself is not enough because I do not have the octave. So it should be a music node. Okay. If I would return, it should now tell me duration factor. Let's equal to 1. Node would be, don't have it yet. Complain later. Octave is octave. Tick is not unknown yet. So the node is the one I need to set. And now let's say node is equals index modulo index to node links and index to node my node accepted. No, note. Now he sees a string. Okay. Let's do this. Now he should accept it. And this could work. When I click places, I click pose at first position Y, ability owner Y, music sheet. I have a node. It can be undefined. If node, I return. Okay, I have a node. I don't have a node. I wait. This is a music node. Music node tick is equals tick. And that's it. Let's find out. Nope. So if I put it down, it doesn't matter. I see I did. Sha at is the problem. Not reach sha at. So the node was not there. Big node. Node doesn't have a node. It was basically here. It's undefined. Node is undefined, so I something in which this is possible. I to big node. Here the node was undefined. This is undefined. I have 6, I need 7. G is missing. G is minus. Interesting. G. But I now need to index -1 +1. G is already above. Let's just see what happens. I guess. Still works it. I need this one. Yeah. Index is -1. Fair. Octave goes down and I modulo. It's exactly. Cannot do this. because it can be negative. Or do I do it like this for now? Now have a node. Okay, perfect. It okay, I can go relatively high. Okay, I accept. I want now the last clicking one which exists, I want to remove it. So if I cast node, now check, always push it. I check every node. Okay, there's no order. But if I put order in it, it should be more efficient, but it doesn't matter now. So I have to check if there is a node already on this position. If node exists, duplicate node would be defined, or is start with undefined? Let I overall nodes, let move node of big sheets. If I could do a find, can't I? Nodes find the node has to be the same as music node and point tick has to be tick. If duplicate node else, so I do not add duplicates, but I could. I will find index, I guess. Find index. One means I have it. Get node index. Let's remove it as first thing. Splice. Duplicate node index and one. C. It with a second click. And now I can was I not early enough? Okay. guess I come to an end here, but okay, for now this is good enough. Of stuff in here. Music, musician, character. In progress I have ability, music sheet, and sing and let's call it this way. It's one more. Down test replace. So still the short builder I need to redo someday. Tamer doesn't win, so the guy is still on the list. Tamer. Don't know if switching to my ID did change the performance. This is my new one. Okay, so killer sniper ball work. Tamer still losing. This is a new version, so the time upgrade. And I can push it. I can look into my game task. Class musician, this I have. Music sheet, visualize music sheet I have. Mouse click to place note on music. These things I have. I have what would be filter existing nodes to durations, let's say. Improve painting, Zoc. circles and music. How is it called? Music key? Symbols. Let's call it symbol. Okay. Notenschlüssel, I think Notenschlüssel is the German word. This one, English clef, I remember. It's easy, I can do it. And now size begins. Okay, this is enough. I guess I end here for today. See you next time. Bye bye.